having tried so many times, and then to finally get it, where we started at Redbud with 3rd overall, our first podium, and then 2nd in Erne, and then winning last year was just like the perfect kind of arc.
Absolutely, I'm joined by Jet, who's very popular here in Crawfordsville. Jet, Team Australia, you've got the title already. You're coming in almost with a target on your back.
Sorry, man. That kid is truly special.
Spoke to him on the way into the circuit this morning. He was already up. He looked a little bit sleepy actually, around about 8 o'clock this morning. But it was under the awning there. He was in kind of incognito, nice little black hoodie. But we saw him, and obviously we've known him since he was in Europe, like 2012.
Okay, so we are on our way to the airport. Plenty of parking options. Still a few EV spots left. Indianapolis Airport is deserted. There's literally nobody here.
Please watch your step.
3:20 in the morning. Tried to sleep for a bit. Didn't really work. Got to Starbucks. Thought I had one last look at Uber and the prices have dropped significantly, so I ended up getting an Uber instead. It's going to pick me up in about 15 minutes. Take me to a nearby McDonald's. I'll have some breakfast there, then I'll walk to the track from there, because it's right near the track. So far this trip has been flawless. $6:30. Short walk from Starbucks. Probably wasn't the greatest choice. It was pretty dark. I had to leave before the last race finished, but it looks like Australia's going to win this. With Hunter's in first, Jet's in third, Eli's in second. Now when Jet was in seventh, Australia already had it locked up, so I can't see us losing it now. Still got about 25 minutes left on this walk. I think I'll make it. I don't think I'm going to miss my flight. As long as there's no problems with the 1 hour drive with the Uber.